If you want to serve up the coziest, tastiest, most delicious mulled apple cider of the season, I've got your know-how right here. And if you're looking to spike it, I've got you covered there too. I'm Kelly Anthony, this is the Anthony Kitchen, and in this house we are all about using great recipes to bring you, your family, and your friends closer together. The first thing we're gonna do is make an extra special, extra easy mulled cider on the stovetop. Now, everyone can have this. There's no hard cider going in. We're just working with standard apple cider. Then I'm gonna show you how to spike it for the grown-ups. So going into the cider, you're gonna need some strips of orange zest. So what you're gonna do is just take a vegetable peeler and you kind of have to dig it in a little bit deep, but just run it along the edge. And that's it. This is what you need, and you're gonna do this 3 times. Now here's how you make it. The first thing you're gonna do is add 1 quart of apple cider to a saucepan on the stovetop. Then you'll add in your cinnamon, your cloves, your allspice, and your star anise. Next, some fresh squeezed lemon juice, a few large strips of orange zest, and last but not least, a little brown sugar. You're gonna let everything simmer together on the stovetop, and as soon as you see those bubbles going, you can serve it. As promised, it smells absolutely spectacular. This is pretty much the holidays in a saucepan. Now, let me show you how to spike it. Going into the glass first is going to be 1 ounce of ginger liqueur. Now, if you don't have or don't want to buy ginger liqueur, you could leave this out, or you could also use Grand Marnier or really any orange liqueur in its place. However, the flavor of ginger goes so well with everything that's in this saucepan. I highly, highly recommend it. Next, we're gonna add just a 1/2 ounce of some spiced rum. Ladle in some cider, and then to garnish, I'm gonna add an orange slice, a cinnamon stick, and 1 star anise. If you're looking for more festive cocktails to serve up this season, be sure to check out my deliciously chocolatey, decadent, spiked hot chocolate next. As always, I will link to this recipe in the description below. While you're down there, go ahead and click that bell to subscribe to the Anthony Kitchen's YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time.